Gentle enough for the entire family, charcoal tooth powder is a natural whitening solution with lots of benefits. Whiten your smile, reduce sensitivity, remove plaque, and freshen your breath. Here are 2 ways to use it. Wet your toothbrush and dip it in the powder. Tap your brush against the container a few times and start brushing. Gently brush as normal for 3 to 5 minutes for up to 5 days in a row, once a month. Don't forget your tongue too. Just rinse your mouth with running water until all the powder is gone. Or mix our charcoal tooth powder with organic coconut oil to create your own toothpaste for daily use. Simply apply coconut oil to your brush and dip it in the powder. Charcoal tooth powder is whitening without the worry, made of 100% organic coconut shell and fluoride-free. Get yours now for only $9.99 with free US shipping.